Hello guys, today we're gonna make a dish super quick. Make your own dish. We have here sea bass fish and we have here some vegetables. We have potato, carrots and baby marrow. So I just marinate this one with paprika, oregano, salt and coriander and a little bit of turmeric. Okay, the fish I marinated with paprika, little bit spicy and cumin and salt. Okay, so I make it like this to be very fast and very quick guys for you to see this one. So we're gonna put this one in the oven, but we're gonna put the fish on top this one. Let's do it to get the taste of the fish on top our vegetable. So here we have 2 pieces of fish and we have 2 pieces of carrots, we have 3 pieces of baby marrow, we have 4 pieces of potato. We're gonna cover it first with aluminum foil and then after 20 minutes we're gonna remove the aluminum foil, then we're gonna add 10 minutes more just to get the color brown for the fish. So we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. Then we're gonna put it for 20 minutes. We remove the aluminum foil and then we add 10 minutes to get the good color of the fish. See you guys after 30 minutes. I hope you like our dish for today. Please give me a thumbs up guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. See you again on my next video.